Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. At this time, when we are still talking about the APC threatening Peter Obi, the #1 opposition leader in Nigeria, that he has crossed the line several times. It is a time to also address some fundamental issues, because one of the things that Peter Obi is being accused of is that he plays toxic opposition. That since President Bola Ahmed Tinubu became president, that Peter Obi has never found anything good in his administration. That some people in APC, many people in APC are saying this, and some people who are neutral are saying, why is it that Peter Obi cannot see anything good in Tinubu administration? That after all, some of the things that Peter Obi said he would do, that Tinubu is doing it. Okay, why can't he praise Bola Ahmed Tinubu sometime, that he's being toxic? He has never found anything worthy of praise under the Tinubu administration. It's because of ignorance that people say that, and that's what this video is tends to correct. The job of the opposition is not to find anything good in the government of the day and to praise it. That's not the job of the opposition. In fact, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has the biggest propaganda machine in history, in Nigeria's presidential history. He has about 13 spokespersons. He has so many people on social media, those who are official and unofficial, who are singing his praises every day. It is therefore preposterous to expect the opposition leader to find something good in Tinubu. That's not his business. If there is something good in Tinubu, then what's the essence of the opposition taking over from him? When Bola Ahmed Tinubu was in the opposition, did he find anything good in President Goodluck Jonathan? Can I be shown anywhere from 2011 to 2015 where Tinubu praised Jonathan for a job well done in any sector of the Nigerian economy? Why is it that people are expecting from Peter Obi what they never expected from Bola Ahmed Tinubu? Why do they have to raise the bar so high for Peter Obi in the opposition, but the bar was lower for Bola Ahmed Tinubu when he was the leader of the opposition? Why was the bar so lowered for him? Why didn't he praise Jonathan? Jonathan did far more better good things. If we look at the record of Jonathan, under Jonathan, Nigeria became the biggest economy in Africa. Under Jonathan, we have the highest GDP in our history. So there's a whole lot of things that Jonathan could be praised. In fact, when we rebase our GDP, when we rebase our economy, Bola Ahmed Tinubu and co were among those who criticized that debasing of our economy. But today, they like to pride themselves that Nigeria is the biggest economy in Africa, even though in reality now Nigeria is number 5. But when that was initially done by Jonathan administration under Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala, they criticized it. So the responsibility of Obi is not to praise Bola Ahmed Tinubu or to find anything good about him. If you look at President-elect Donald Trump, watch him as an opposition leader. You will never hear him praise anything by Biden. He never says anything good about Biden, because that is the way to go. In fact, Peter Obi is too nice for the APC. He's playing a nice guy. He's playing the kind of opposition that they do in England. That's not what Nigeria is a presidential system of government. It is not supposed, Peter Obi is not even supposed to be playing that kind of British parliamentarian system of opposition. No, this is a presidential system. A winner takes all. You don't give a gap. You don't have to see anything good. Peter Obi's business is not to find anything good in Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Because Bola Ahmed Tinubu, when he was in opposition, never found anything good. Either in Jonathan or in Obasanjo or in Yaradua. He never found anything good. Because they lowered the bar for Bola Ahmed Tinubu, why are you raising the bar for Obi? You expected him to be higher, to play at a higher. That's what it's not obtainable anywhere. Nobody does that as an opposition leader. That's one impression. I want people to get it down. That it is not the duty of Peter Obi to find anything good in Bola Ahmed Tinubu administration and say, yes, Tinubu is getting it right here. No, that's not his job. He has about 13 spokespersons. He has the Minister of Information and National Orientation. He has so many people, ministers, covering all these several sectors, who has the megaphone to talk about what they are doing well or not doing well. It is left for the Nigerian public to judge. And Peter Obi's duty as an opposition leader is to find out, point out where the government is getting it wrong. Is it in the area of security, insecurity? Is it in the area of economy? Is it in the area of health? Is it in the area of environment? Whichever area they are not getting it right is to point it out for them to know that we know that you are getting it wrong in this direction. Where they get it right, you don't have to praise them. They have megaphones that can praise them. Even me, I was disappointed when Peter Obi was talking about, was praising them that the refinery is working. And later we found out that refineries are not even working as expected. That the whole thing is in a total misinformation. Okay, as the former President Olusegun Obasanjo, they blow the lead on what is going on. What Shell said about the refineries and why it is impossible for the thing to be working as they are claiming. Okay, so Peter Obi is not even supposed to praise the resumption of refining, so as to please those people who are saying that Peter Obi is supposed to be praise the government when the government does well. It's not his business to praise the government. It's not his business to praise Bola Ahmed Tinubu, because Bola Ahmed Tinubu never praised Obasanjo when Obasanjo was president in any area. He never praised Jonathan that he has done well in any sector when they were in opposition. So why should he be praised by Peter Obi when Peter Obi is the leader of the opposition in Nigeria? The job of Peter Obi is to call them out, to remind Nigerians, where Nigerians are not taking note of their failure, to remind them of their failure, to remind them where they are getting it wrong. That is basically the job of Peter Obi. That is what Tinubu did effectively as an opposition leader. We know how, okay, recently you see the Daily Trust report, where Daily Trust is saying that about half of over 110 soldiers are allegedly missing during an attack by Boko Haram in Borno State. 4 days, nobody talked about it. Okay? Nobody talked about it. If it were when Tinubu was in the opposition, Tinubu would say all kinds of things. That how Jonathan was incompetent in handling the issue of Boko Haram. But you can see how for 4 days, according to Daily Trust, nobody talked about it. Literally, the information was being suppressed, literally, from what the Daily Trust was suggesting. Nobody talked about it. But we remember when Tinubu was in opposition, with the backing of the mainstream media, they will blow any single bomb that goes off anywhere. It will appear as if there was no president in Nigeria, as if Jonathan was incompetent, that he couldn't do anything. That was how they demarcated Jonathan, said they needed a general like Buhari to come. When Buhari came, what did we say? We saw how insecurity moved from epicenter of the northeast to northwest to north central, and now all over the country, including the southeast. So everywhere now is literally insecure. All thanks to the APC, the kind of dangerous opposition they played at that time. But now you can see that even Peter Obi is very careful in talking about their incompetence in the area of insecurity, in terms of what happened in Borno and everywhere. He has not tried to take advantage of it the way APC used to do under Jonathan administration. I just want to put this record straight, that people should not expect from Peter Obi what they never expected from Tinubu and Buhari when they were in opposition. That's what I want to say. And I hope you understand it. Even Buhari played that kind of opposition. He never gave credit to government in power. That's the truth. You can go and check his record too. So don't expect from Peter Obi what you never expected from Buhari and Tinubu. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.